on, push the button.
Yeah, come on, push a button.
Push the goddamn button.
Push the goddamn button.
What's up, influential family? Welcome back to Cooking with Influential Talent. Today, our secret ingredient is honey. All right. So, what I thought would be a great idea is to make 2 different kinds of meatballs. All right. So, I'm gonna make honey sriracha meatballs, and I'm also gonna make honey barbecue meatballs. All right. So I've got my honey sriracha sauce, but I also have just sriracha that I could mix with honey if you don't have this. I found it at Kroger. And I might end up just mixing all 3 to get the flavor how I like it. All right. I also have the spicy chili sauce. And this is gonna crank up the heat for the honey sriracha ones, all right? And I got cayenne pepper and red pepper. Also gonna boost the heat with crispy jalapenos. This is also a new ingredient that I found out about. They're really good. I like them on salads. Check it out if you haven't tried them, okay? So that's just gonna be a garnish for the top. So for the honey barbecue side, of course, we've got honey. We've got some barbecue sauce that we bought a while back. It's whiskey barbecue sauce. It's really good. I haven't used it for anything else yet. I was thinking about making some wings, but this will be great in this, all right? So I'm gonna mix this with honey. And this is gonna be sort of our sweet side. I'm gonna add just a little bit of beef base. So this is usually used with like braising to make broths and stuff like that, but I'm gonna add a little bit to our honey barbecue side just to boost up the beef flavor. And the topping is gonna be the French fried onions. All right, let's get into it. All right, so we're just gonna season the beef, and the base for both of them are gonna be the same. So we're gonna add a little salt. Some pepper. Parsley. And some minced garlic. Smells delicious. All right, so to the barbecue beef side, I'm gonna add a little bit of my bouillon mix. Okay. To the sriracha side, I'm going to add some cayenne pepper. Spicy meatball. All right, and I'm also gonna add some red chili pepper. All right, so the rest is gonna be saved for the sauce that's gonna be on the top. So I'm just gonna mix these together and make the balls, all right? Okay, we know that beef shrinks down, so I'm going to make them rather large. right?
Come on, push the button.
Yeah, come on, push a button.
Push the goddamn button.
Push a